What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So my name is Cesar. I'm a chemical engineer and I'm doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle because I think that it's important to have multiple streams of income because we don't know if tomorrow we can lose our jobs. And so today I want to talk about a high ticket course that I bought. The name is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So I bought this training from Jonathan Montoya. So as you may know, I have been promoting products, affiliate marketing products since 2017. So I have been promoting low ticket products, software, and high ticket products. And this course is to learn how to do how to promote high ticket products the right way. So as you're seeing the screen, I have here many resources. So Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 is the high ticket product. This one, the next one is Freedom University. So basically this is for people who bought the software. So the name of the software that Jonathan Montoya created is funnelfreedom.io. So let me show you quickly funnelfreedom.io. So this is a all-in-one marketing platform, and for example, if you are using like ClickFunnels and GetResponse and all these products, System.io, Aweber, Calendly, Kajabi, so you can utilize Funnel Freedom instead of using all these products, Salesforce, WordPress, all this stuff. So the price of this software is $97 per month. So that in case that if you don't have like too many resources, you can use system.io, guys. So this one, system.io. Okay, so this is the resources that I want to show you. The next one is the 72-hour challenge. This is the low ticket product. The next one is SLO training. So this means self-liquidating offer training. If I scroll down, we have here more resources, Funnel Freedom resources. So these are like all the trainings of Funnel Freedom. So let me show you quickly. You can see these are the tech calls. So from October 10th, January 10th of 2024, and we have here all of these resources. Okay, so we're going to I want to talk about today about Funnel Freedom Breakthrough 3.0. So that is the affiliate marketing course that I bought, guys. So let me go here quickly to courses. And we're going to go in depth. I'm going to talk about this course. So as you can see, so the first lessons are the welcome and getting started. So Jonathan Montoya created a coaching call. So we have two coaching calls per week in case that if you have, for example, questions and you don't know how to set up your system. So we have here support. So if we don't know how to do, for example, how to create content on our YouTube channel, how to build the affiliate stacking ecosystem, how to all this stuff, guys, because affiliate marketing, guys, it's a business model in which we can earn commissions. And that being said, let me show you quickly my results. So I have been paid $3,447. So this is my affiliate dashboard. These are my affiliate links. So if someone buys the product from any of these links, I can make a commission by promoting the products that I'm talking about right now, guys. Okay, so this is the first lessons is the welcome and getting started, the phase number 1, the 4 phases to freedom. So as you can see, I have been watching all the lessons. So finding a major problem, finding a main core product, building out the A/B map. So basically, Jonathan teaches in this course that if we want to make commissions with affiliate marketing, we need to find a major problem to solve. So basically, there are like three main niches in which we can find products: the make money, the wealth niche. The next one is the health and fitness niche, the wealth niche, the health and fitness, and the third one is the relationship niche. So those are like the three main niches in which we can find products to promote, to help people solve a problem that they have. Once we have like selected the main niche, we can go and find products to promote, because basically what we are doing here is that we are choosing a main core product. So for me is Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and then we need to find supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3. Okay, so let's moving on. The phase number 1 as well is building an automated sales system. So what is that? So if I go here, I'm going to show you this example. So these are my affiliate links, but if I click here, you're going to see. So this is a page that is called a sales funnel. So this is an opt-in page. So this is Jonathan Montoya's opt-in page, and when people go here and click this red button, and they write their name, their email, and their phone number, that information is going to go to Jonathan Montoya's email list. And once people go to that email list, they will start receiving emails. For example, they will start receiving for example, today they will start receiving one email, then tomorrow another email, and so on and so forth. People are going to start receiving all this information, and as an affiliate marketers, we do this sales funnel stuff to give value to those people. So basically, in this course, Jonathan Montoya teaches how to build this entire automated sales system. And why is this so important? Well, because we don't know in the future. Now, let's say that we are growing our social media channels like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and all that stuff, but we don't know in the future that if something happens to those channels, and if we lost our social media channels. So what we are building here is this email list that it's important to build that thing in case we lost our social media channels. Okay, now in phase number 1 as well is so here Jonathan Montoya teaches how to create videos between 5 and 15 second short videos. Although this is a good strategy, I think that it's more important to start creating on YouTube. So if you can build these short videos, it's good, but at the end, guys, it's important for you to have your own YouTube channel and create your own personal brand on YouTube. Now we have here a bonus phase number 1, how to use Facebook profile funnel to generate leads and sales. So okay, so this is a bonus that Jonathan Montoya has in this course. Then we have the faceless artificial intelligence leads with Colton Evans. So how to create videos using artificial intelligence. Then unlimited leads with Instagram, how to create content on Instagram and send traffic to our automated sales system. Then we have the Facebook Reels with Joshua Smith. So these are all traffic strategies, guys, to drive traffic to our automated sales system. And then we have phase number 2, the automated traffic machine generating leads from YouTube. So this phase is powerful. Why? Because YouTube, guys, so all these commissions, let me show you that you are seeing in the screen. So I have been making these commissions basically from YouTube, and I have been promoting products from YouTube since 2017, 18, and YouTube is really powerful. But the problem sometimes with YouTube is that it takes time. It takes time to start getting this ball rolling. But it's a matter of time, guys. You just need to put in the work, create content, do these lives, and it's going to be a matter of time in which you are going to have more traction and send more traffic to your affiliate links. And so Jonathan Montoya lays off here how to. So he explains very good how to grow our YouTube channels. So the YouTube traffic ecosystem, the YouTube setup, and I have been doing this strategy, guys. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know that it's important to do the keyword research. It's important to know that if the title that we are using in our YouTube videos is going to help our YouTube channels grow, because that is super important, because you can create like a video, you can do a live, you can create and upload all this content on your YouTube channel, and if you don't optimize well your YouTube videos, and if you don't do this keyword research, it's going to be hard to grow your channel. So check this out: rank your video on number 1 in YouTube optimization template, the YouTube funnel algorithm explained. So this is really good stuff. And then we are going to go to phase number 2. So this is for people who don't want to show their face and create content on YouTube. They can create a website. Although this strategy is good, it takes more time, guys. It takes more time to start getting commissions with affiliate marketing, because so if you are going to choose, because from these two strategies, so it's faster doing YouTube videos than creating these articles and creating a website. Although you can do this strategy as well. So I think this depends on which strategy you want to which strategy you want to use. Then phase number 3, increase conversions. So this is once we have our main core product, our automated sales system. So Jonathan Montoya explains how we can increase conversions. Phase number 4, how to automate and scale. Because the thing here is that in the future, so this is the goal, to hire a team. We just need create the content, and we need to hire a team, upload all this content in our social media. So we can do at the end. I think they have. So Jonathan Montoya has this vacation test in which we have this automated sales system that is working for us, and we just need create content, and our team is going to do all the hard work. And so basically, the guys, this is the affiliate marketing course that I bought. So this is a high ticket course. Right now the price is $1,997. Let me show you. Freedom Breakthrough 3 checkout page. And one important thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is that it takes time to start getting results. To check this out, the price is $1,997. And one good advice that I can tell you right now is to build your own audience, because so you can have all the automated sales system, all this stuff, but if you don't drive traffic to that automated sales system, you are not going to have any results. And creating your own audience, it takes time. It takes time to start seeing results with affiliate marketing. When I started in 2017, it took me 1 year to get my first commissions. And it takes time, guys, to start getting results. So if you have any questions, let me go here quickly. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments. And that's it for this video. Talk to you soon, and God bless.